Money doesn't follow effort. If it did, the hardest workers in the world would be the richest. They aren't. Money follows value. The market doesn't pay you for your sweat, it pays you for the size of the problem you solve. Digging a hole is hard effort. Designing the machine that digs 1,000 holes, that's high value. Stop chasing the paycheck. Start building the person who deserves one. Master a skill that is rare, difficult, and in demand. Become truly valuable. And money will have no choice but to chase you. Are you working hard, or are you becoming irreplaceable? Think about it. Follow for more.